what better way to do an interview when you're sitting beside this window, it's pouring outside, you have a cup of coffee and a dost. Oh, cheers!
Cheers to that!
You know, these are the best kind of interviews where you're sitting with your friend on a rainy day and sipping coffee and just doing gupshup. I love it.
That's true.
I love my job, Shweta.
I love my job too. And ये आप लोग हम बता देते हैं कि we had to control ourselves from talking because otherwise हमारी बातें खत्म ही नहीं होती है.
By the way, I was going through some videos of ours and मैंने देखा 7 साल पहले मैं इस लड़की से मिली थी and हरामखोर. And here you are, season 3.
Season 3, yeah.
Season 3 of Mirzapur. I mean, Golu ji.
You know, किसी fan ने एक बनाया था, उसमें लिखा होता गोलू डॉन. I'm like, that is so cute. Golu Dawn.
Golu Dawn. There should be T-shirts.
Yeah.
Golu
100%.
Dawn.
I must say that your hairstyle and the Veera in you is reminding me of Golu.
See, मैं आज full Golu zone में हूँ.
I love it.
Okay, first we have to talk about this beautiful space that you have made for yourself, for your work. I absolutely love it. Tell me, why did you choose to, make this space away from home?
मुझे लगता है that space physically and mentally is very important for any human being, but especially if you are in a creative field. I stay with my wonderful family and touch wood, I've been blessed to have amazing in-laws. Father-in-law, mother-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law and Cheetah and me, of course.
Yeah.
Filmmaking is a very collaborative process. But when you're not on shoot or when you're not prepping for a role, मुझ में उतना वो नहीं है कि मैं रोज उठ के पढ़ाई करूँ उसी रूम में जहाँ पे आई एम वेकिंग अप बिकॉज आई बिलीव इन एनर्जीज. तो आई फील दैट उस बेड पे दैट बेड कांट बी माई वर्क स्पेस. सो आई वॉन्टेड अ स्पेस वेयर विच इज नॉट जस्ट फॉर मी but for people that I respect, I am fond of. So this room I call as a sun room and there's an inside room which I call as the moon room. मतलब वही कि space and respect I think सबको मिलनी चाहिए. So that was how this happened.
Okay, मिर्ज़ापुर के बारे में बात करते हैं श्वेता. अब ये 3rd season है. So when you are going into a 3rd season of any of the series, does it still inspire you to go back and do the show because you've been doing it for so long?
110%. अब I don't know because मिर्ज़ापुर है इसलिए, but मिर्ज़ापुर is an emotion. Like actually I think even with because I did ये काली कहानी आके season 2 as well.
Exactly.
And the thing is as actors we are very curious to know that इनके साथ होता क्या है. मतलब मिर्ज़ापुर में अलग है क्योंकि आपको एक एक करके जब स्क्रिप्ट आ रही है तो आप सोच रहे हो कि will I survive? What is happening to the character? Thing is that I think as actors, as cast, crew, we are serving the story. तो no matter कितना दुख होगा जानते हुए कि कैरेक्टर के साथ क्या क्या हो रहा है, कैरेक्टर रह रहा है, जा रहा है, सर्वाइव कर रहा है, टॉर्चर हो रहा है. और जैसे हमने मुन्ना भैया से सीखा है दैट आप मर के तो अमर हो जाते हैं. सो सम एक्टर्स आर एक्चुअली वेरी एक्साइटेड कि भैया हमें मार दो क्योंकि हमारे साथ ये हो जाएगा. एंड ऑल्सो कैन आई टेल यू सम एक्टर्स डोंट वांट टू डाई, दे रिफ्यूज टू डाई. They refuse to die.
Were you one of those actors?
Wow.
हाँ, see?
But मैंने
मुझे मरना नहीं है, बस मुझे मारो मत. How does mummy, papa, husband, in-laws react to Golu? When they see you as Golu, how does family react to Golu?
So I remember very clearly कि जब season 2 my mother-in-law was watching, we call her Maiya. So I came home and she opened the door and she hugged me and she was in tears. Aww. And मुझे इतनी खुशी हुई because she said I just want to hug you, I want to hug Golu. Like I know that she met Golu that day. तो मैं बहुत अंदर ही अंदर खुश हो रही थी that Golu worked so much, it affected her because that is why I do what I do. तो वो those moments are very nice and मजाक में वही होता है कि हम रियलाइज नहीं करता हमारे घर पे गोलू है. एंड चीता तो सबसे ज़्यादा जब हम शूट करने वाले थे सीजन 3 का तो ना मेरी बॉडी लैंग्वेज ही चेंज हो जाती है. तो थोड़ा हाँ which and I was sitting like that.
You become Golu or any other character when you're playing that character?
No, I think गोलू का सबसे ज़्यादा असर होता है. So when Cheetah had said and मैं अपने मतलब चेयर पे ऐसे करके बैठी हुई थी, पैर वैर भी वैसे करके, and he said I'm glad I'm going for my shoot because I don't want to live with Golu. And I could not even retaliate because I'm like बात तो सही कर रहा है. So it takes over and then during season 3 we were sitting in one of our favorite places, Kitchen Garden. And he was talking, and he was between shoots and I was between shoots, and he was telling me something, and he said, "You're not listening to me." And it was not a complaint. He said, "You're not listening to me." And I said, "Yeah, I'm not." And he said, "Whatever it is, we will figure it out, don't worry." And I was like, "Yeah, okay." And next दिन मैं बनारस गई क्योंकि मिर्ज़ापुर का शूट चालू था, एंड मैं बेड पे लेटी हुई हूँ, एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग कि लाइफ तो ठीक है, लाइक मतलब ऐसी क्या परेशानी है मुझे. एंड देन आई रियलाइज इन दैट सेकंड दैट दिस इज गोलू, दिस इज नॉट मी, एंड आई रैन.
This is like double personality playing here.
Yeah.
Sounds a little scary to me, but
It is. There is a moment that happens in season 3, and अब मुझे ना खाने का मन कर रहा है ना कुछ कर रहा है, and I was just like, oh my god, what is she going through? And you feel hollow. तो फिर but then I ran to the bathroom, I had a shower, and literally I was like, Golu, I love you, but I can't let you take over me. And then I spoke to a therapist because I was like, I need to figure this out because season 2 में ये हुआ था. So I thought कि season 2 में हो गया, now I know better, season 3 तो I'll be able to manage, but clearly not. And there's such simple things that she told me which have helped me so much. Just like you wear your accessories. Because that is something that Shweta does. That you do so much, you psych yourself so much to get into Golu's character, but what are you doing to get out of it? So no matter, even if it's listening to, it's the time to disco Sunovo. Even if it is picking up the call and speaking to a friend and talking rubbish, do that. But do more Shweta things once you have wrapped up. And that really made a difference to me. And she told me that because everybody on the set calls me Golu Didi. So I told my closest people, Gurupai and Baba, who are a cinematographer and director, because I love them. तो वो भी गोलू बुलाते थे. तो मैंने बोला कि ऑफ सेट आप गोलू मत बोलो, बिकॉज
It's
call
getting
me
on
whatever.
to me.
आप कुछ भी बोल दो, गोलू मत बुलाओ. So then consciously that was changed, and then it became Shweta and other names, and definitely that. Then it was easier to detach myself.
okay, you know, Ali goes and does these amazing films, Hollywood हो या जो भी. Like तुमको कभी मन नहीं करता है कि यार चली जाती हूँ because audition देने लगती हूँ, या you know get an agent there to get into films there. Why?
बहुत मन करता है, बहुत मन करता है. इनफैक्ट एक बार जब एक कॉल आया था एक ऑडिशन के लिए, उन्होंने बोला था कि एक प्राइम की सीरीज़ है, एंड देयर आर 3 women एंड इट्स एन इंटरनेशनल सीरीज, एंड उसमें वी वांट यू टू टेस्ट फॉर वन ऑफ द पार्ट्स, एंड वन ऑफ द एक्टर्स इज निकोल किडमैन, and she's also the producer. मैं तो ये सुन के ही खुश. I was like, this is
मैं कर लूँगी, मुझे
so
script चाहिए.
good. कि अगर आप you think that I should test for this part, and if you're considering me, I think that's a big win. Because and मुझे international काम करना है, because I really want the world to see my work, because I think language should never restrict us, and it does not.
It is not a barrier anymore.
Yeah.
Look at the kind of content that we are making, and it's going to festivals.
Yeah.
I mean, going back to Masan, you know, when Masan went to the festival, look, people could relate to it so much.
Yeah.
So clearly.
And festivals की भी again energy अलग होती है.
Really?
So when I went over there, I really wish that actors should come over here, because the kind of conversations you have, the kind of
People you meet.
vibe, and just the people you're seeing. तो हमने we saw Michael Caine. तो Richa was telling me that Shweta, यहाँ पे we can't be starstruck, because we have to give people their space and we have to respect them, and I was feeling like, oh my god, मुझे इनसे भी मिलना उनसे मिलना, but thanks to her I was behaving myself. फिर जब माइकल केन को देखा, I was like, इनसे तो आशीर्वाद जाके लेना है. We went, Vicky and I have a photo also. We have gone to Michael Caine, and I said कि please give us your blessings. मैं पैर नहीं छुए, पर मतलब ऐसी वाले आशीर्वाद लिया, and he gave us his blessings, and that memory is so special and so sweet.
But you know, हम लोग ये भी discuss कर रहे हैं while these films are going at Cannes Film Festival, and we are very proud. As a country, are we supporting these films, and how difficult it is to make these films and get that kind of backing?
I think freedom of speech and expression is so important. तो वो हमें सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि अगर हम एक ही टाइप की फिल्म्स देखेंगे तो वही टाइप की फिल्म्स बनेंगी। तो आई थिंक वो सपोर्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बट यू आर राइट, वी डू नॉट सपोर्ट इट इनफ। आई थिंक नाउ अगेन विद धर्मशाला फिल्म फेस्टिवल या फिर कशिश है या फिर मामी है, तो धीरे धीरे करके और ट्रैक्शन मिल रहा है, आईबॉल्स मिल रही हैं, बट दिस इज जस्ट द बिगिनिंग। आई फील बाहर इतना अप्रिसिएशन मिल रहा है, पर यहाँ पे तो क्योंकि दुनिया बहुत ज़रूरी है, लेकिन दुनिया बहुत ज़रूरी है पर देश उससे भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है।
Completely agree with you. Shweta, thank you so much for having me in this beautiful place that you have created and made your own.
Thank you.
And I'm gonna see you again soon.